Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Fantom easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening the Fantom app on your device. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you'll see an overview of your financial status. To start budgeting, locate the budget feature on the menu. Tap on Create New Budget to initiate the budgeting process. You will be prompted to enter a name for your budget. Choose a name that reflects the purpose of this budget, like monthly expenses. Next, set the time frame for your budget. You can select options such as weekly, monthly, or yearly. After that, you'll need to define your budget categories. Common categories include housing, groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Input your expected expenses for each category. Adjust these figures based on your financial situation. Once you've filled in the categories, review the total budget amount. Make sure the total aligns with your income. If necessary, tweak your entries until they balance. After finalizing your budget, click Save to store your settings. Now, you can track your expenses by entering each transaction. Return to the budget section regularly to monitor your progress. If you overspend in any category, Fantom will alert you. You can make adjustments and reallocate funds as needed. Use the reporting feature to analyze your spending habits over time. This will help you refine your budgeting efforts in future months. Keep your budget updated to ensure it reflects any changes in your financial situation. Finally, remember that budgeting is a flexible process. Feel free to make adjustments as you learn what works best for you. With these steps, you'll gain better control over your finances using Fantom. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.